Tired of newsletters that land straight in the trash? Let's transform your Wix site into an email marketing powerhouse with stunning newsletters that captivate your audience. First, head over to your Wix dashboard, find Marketing and SEO on the left-hand menu and click on Email Marketing. Now, you'll see a variety of options. Click on the Email Campaigns button. This is where the magic happens. Wix offers a ton of professionally designed templates to get you started. Browse through them and pick one that matches your brand and the purpose of your newsletter. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to make it your own. Click on any text element to edit the content. Write compelling headlines and engaging body text that speaks to your subscribers. Next, replace the stock images with your own high-quality visuals. Click on an image and then select Replace to upload your own photos or choose from Wix's free image library. Don't forget to customize the colors and fonts to align with your brand identity. Wix makes it super easy to change the button colors, text styles, and overall look of your newsletter. Add links to your social media profiles so your viewers can follow you. It is a quick way to get your audience to follow you on all platforms. Now, let's talk about your audience. Click on Contacts in your dashboard and then import contacts to upload your subscriber list. You can import from a CSV file or directly from other platforms. Before you send your newsletter to the world, send yourself a test email. This is crucial to check for any errors, broken links, or formatting issues. Finally, once you're happy with everything, schedule your email to be sent at the optimal time for your audience, or send it right away, and that is it. Your newsletter is ready.